Hello and what's up friends. Today I am back again with another video. Today I am going to show you tripod for the camera and the mobile, and there is the box. Here is the box. I ordered it from Flipkart, and it's COD method, and 236 rupees of the price of this product. Just open it. Let's see what is inside the box. So this is a 3110 made in China box. 1020 mm the full length, 350 mm short medium length, 345 mm short length, and the movement was 16.8 mm. Weight was 42 grams, 402 grams. 3 ways head built-in levels, multiple, and all that. This is the picture of the tripod. Don't waste the time and just open it. Okay, it comes in this bag, and this is the clip where you can attach your mobile. And now let's open it. Open the box. And this is the box. Okay, so this is the tripod. This is the level. Actually, it is in the when it is in the middle, it means it is in a correct level. Okay, and this is the tripod. You can stand it like this. I am shooting in a mobile camera, so I can't give you the full length of the tripod. If you want to see this, please comment below. I will provide another video of this product. And just to extend it, you just open this and keep this, and that never pick this. And this, look at the length. It's a very big tripod actually. All these worked like this. This is the folding thing. Okay, and this is the mobile adapter connector, where you can attach this little phone and just move it like this. Like this. Okay, you can attach your camera in this area also, and this is the movement where you can reload your camera in 360 degree. And this is, you can extend it like this. And this is very this actually to open this, the mobile like this. So this is a multifunctioning camera tool, actually mobile camera tool, and it's very useful for everyone who want to buy a new tripod. So I highly recommend this product to everyone who is wanted to buy it. if one want to buy it, please contact with me to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Big thumbs up for this photo.